Hey, surprise! I am Coach Megan, and we are going to do a really awesome roll in a butterfly position that's like a secret ab maneuver exercise. It's like you're using your abs, but you don't even know it. It's like you're just having fun. Okay, so check it out, and then I'll explain how to do it. It's so fun. You're going to love it. So you want to start out in a butterfly position, a stretch like this. Now you want your thumbs to go on the bottom of your foot, and then your fingers to go on the top. Like, here, I'll show you closer. Kind of like this. See my thumbs on the bottom? Finger, I can't tell if you can see or not because I'm by myself today. Fingers on the top. You want to pull them in. You don't want them too far away, but pull them in right about to there. And you want to squeeze your feet together and hold them really tight. Because a lot of kids will kind of let go during it, and that makes it harder. So the first step, if you're going to the right, you want to put your right shoulder on your right knee. Or think of like even the top part of your arm going on the bottom part of your thigh. Whatever this is called. Nice and tight. Turn that head. See how I'm kind of laying on it? Because then that's really, really going to help you out for the next step, which is to go right from here onto your back. It's almost like I feel my side, my ribs, my lat first. Wee! And then you want to keep your chin tucked because you don't want to be like, hurt your neck. I'm holding onto my feet, then I go onto my back. My chin is tucked. I'm still in a butterfly. And then from here, you're going to roll onto your left knee. And put your left shoulder onto that left knee or left upper arm onto the left thigh. Like this. See, my shoulder's actually on the ground. And then from there, use your foot to help you. As you're coming up, I'm pushing my leg out and pulling my arm in. Yes, that's the explanation. So from here, and I use my shoulder to kind of pop me up. You see that? And now I'll come back to you. So here, this goes on the knee or the shoulder or the thigh. And then to my back. And I keep my feet going kind of up over the top. And then, see, I went to my knee. And you use the momentum to kind of push off that shoulder. And pull your abs in. And then you come back up. Now I'm going to go a little bit faster for you so you can see. And remember to really hold on tight. And yeah, squeeze those abs. Come on, abs. Let's get a little workout in here. Okay, here we go. Hold on tight. And it's fun. It's really fun. And you get a little bit of a stretch for your groin too. Here we go. You see that? Oh my gosh. And it can be like your little, party trick. So yeah, really keep it flowing. Because a lot of kids will go like this. They'll lean back too much. And then they get stuck. So it's all about going to that side, to the back, to the side. Round and round we go. When we stop, nobody knows. And see, I land right back in the same position. So thank you for watching. I hope you have fun with that butterfly roll. And go on something like softer. Put some blankets down and pillows so you don't, bruise up your bod. Here's your end of the video trick. And you can download my app to find all my videos. Because I notice a lot of people are asking me about certain gymnastics videos. They just don't know it's there because I have so many videos. So, or you can type the name of the trick in with Coach Megan and it might pop up. There's a lot of them on there. You know, I'm gonna try a kip up. I have a video on this too. I haven't done it in a while. Let's see how she goes. All right, over and out. I'll see you soon. Have a nice day.